Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check the statistics on the Flip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the statistics button next to the flip zone option at the bottom of the page, and here you can check the daily statistics, the weekly statistics and the monthly. So that's and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.